Welcome, friends. The power of gratitude is immense and can create an abundance of positivity in our lives. It's not about what you don't have, but about cherishing what you do have. We delve into the enigmatic realm of gratitude and abundance, the profound impact of a positive mindset. We'll uncover the transformative energy of positive affirmations and how they can shape our reality. Now think about something you're grateful for. That thought as we dive deeper into the power of gratitude. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a way of viewing the world. It's about recognizing and appreciating the good in life. And by doing so, we shift our focus from what we lack to the abundance that's already present. This simple shift in mindset can have profound effects. When we practice gratitude, we're essentially training our minds to seek out and celebrate the positive. This can lead to increased happiness, reduced stress, and even improved physical health. It's like flipping a switch in our brains from scarcity to abundance. Now let's talk about the abundance mindset. It's the belief that there's enough for everyone. It's the opposite of the scarcity mindset, which focuses on lack and competition. Gratitude is one of the most effective ways to cultivate an abundance mindset. By appreciating what we have, we open ourselves up to receive more. Remember, abundance is not something we acquire. It's something we tune into. Now imagine already having what you desire. Feel the joy and satisfaction it brings. Delight in the thought that you're already in possession of your heart's deepest desires. Experience the joy, the fulfillment, and the peace that come with it. Now let's take this journey together through a series of affirmations that will strengthen this feeling of abundance and gratitude. Begin by saying to yourself, I am grateful for the abundance that is already mine. Repeat this affirmation, allowing the conviction to deepen with each recitation. Let the gratitude seep into every corner of your being. Next, affirm, I am rich in love, health, and prosperity. Say these words with conviction. Feel the truth vibrating within them. You are indeed wealthy in all aspects of life that truly matter. Then declare to yourself, my desires are my reality. This affirmation reinforces the belief that what you desire, you already possess. It's not about wanting, it's about acknowledging the reality of your abundance. And finally affirm, I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. This affirmation reaffirms your worthiness to receive the abundance that is rightfully yours. Remember, you deserve all the good that life has to offer. Feel the power of these affirmations. They're not just words, they're the truth of your abundant life. Embrace this truth, live it, and watch as your world transforms into a reflection of your abundant mindset. Now that you've tapped into your abundance mindset, how do you maintain it? Well, it's all about consistency. Create a daily ritual that involves practicing gratitude and positive affirmations. Perhaps you start your day by writing down 5 things you're grateful for, or you end your evenings repeating affirmations in front of the mirror. Make this practice as natural as brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee. It's not about the number of times you do it, but the quality of your practice. You have to really feel the gratitude. Let it fill every cell of your body. The same goes for affirmations. Don't just say them, believe them, live them. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. The aim is to keep your abundance mindset alive and kicking. So experiment, tweak, and find what works best for you. Gratitude and abundance are not one-time events, they're a lifestyle. As we conclude, remember the feeling of abundance you've cultivated today. We've embarked on a journey, shedding light on the power of gratitude and the transformative nature of positive affirmations. In acknowledging the richness of our lives, we've unlocked an avenue to attract more of what we cherish and less of what we don't. The essence of this practice is not merely in wanting, but in visualizing, feeling, and appreciating what we desire as if it's already part of our reality. This mindset, when nurtured consistently, can steer us towards a life filled with abundance and fulfillment. Don't let this be the end of your journey. Continue to practice gratitude and positive affirmations daily. Let each day be a celebration of the abundance you possess and the abundance that's yet to come. Thank you for joining us today. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback is important to us. Remember, you are abundant and deserving of all good things.